Use the order of operations to evaluate each of the following. We'll use parentheses first, exponent second, multiplication and division third, addition and subtraction fourth, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Looking at A, we have 3 times 2 squared minus 4 times 6 plus 2, and this will be equal to, and I'll work within the parentheses first. 3 times 2 is 6, so I'll have 6 squared, minus 4 times, working within the parentheses, 6 plus 2 is 8, equals. Then I'll apply exponents next. 6 squared is 36, so I have 36 minus 4 times 8. And I want to make very sure to multiply before I subtract. So I'll go ahead and multiply 4 times 8, which is what? Which is 32, and 36 minus 32 is 4. For part B, where do we begin? Well, we have 5 squared minus 4 divided by 7, minus the square root of 11 minus 2, and we're going to have this equal to, I'm going to apply the exponents first. So I have 5 squared, which is 25. 25 minus 4 over 7, minus the square root of 11 minus 2. And then I'm going to apply the parentheses, because there are really parentheses around 25 minus 4, because you're dividing that whole piece by 7. 25 minus 4 is 21, so I have 21 over 7, minus. And I do have parentheses around 11 minus 2, even though I don't see them, because I'm taking the square root of that quantity. So I'll subtract 11 minus 2, and that's 9. Next, I'll go ahead and apply the exponent. So I have 21 over 7 minus 9 to the 1/2, or the square root of 9, which is 3. Then I'll divide before I subtract. 21 divided by 7 is 3. This gives me 3 minus 3, which is 0. In the last calculation, which seems a little bit lengthy, doesn't it? We have 7 times 5 times 3, minus 2 times the quantity of 6 minus 3, minus 4 squared, end of quantity, plus 1. This is equal to. I want to work within the parentheses first. Working from left to right, I have 7 times 15. That's 5 times 3, isn't it? Minus 2 times, and I want to work within the brackets first. So within the brackets first, I see parentheses. So I go into the innermost parentheses, which is 6 minus 3, and I subtract. Minus 4 squared, plus 1. Let me make this look a little more like a square. There we go. Now I'll go ahead and apply the exponents next. So I have 7 times 15, minus 2 times 4 squared is 16, so I have 3 minus 16, plus 1. And I still have parentheses to work with, so I'll go ahead and continue to work with them. We have 7 times 15, minus 2 times, and we have 3 minus 16, which is negative 13, plus 1. Now, as I look from left to right, I'm going to multiply before I subtract or add. 7 times 15 is 105, minus, and I have 2 times negative 13, which is a negative 26, plus 1. Now I'll just work from left to right. I have 105 minus a negative, which is plus 26, plus 1. And again, adding from left to right, I have 105 plus 26. That's 131, plus 1, which is 132. Thank you.